how to bypass CapCut Pro. In other words, how to get all the Pro features for free in CapCut. This is very easy, very straightforward. Let's save all your bits right there. All of the ones that are premium, you gotta pay for these. Just gonna add a few more onto the clip. So let's say you've finished your edit, okay? You got everything there. Now, let's see. You wanna grab all that. Let's say you wanna export it first. We'll show you right now. Export, see, join Pro. And there's the bits they will not let you use. So let's get these for free. Back to the edit. First thing you want to do is grab everything you want to keep. Okay, then right click on the clip and select create compound clip right here. So it's all there. The next thing you want to do is just highlight the clip, come over to where it's video, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see motion blur, select this and bring it down to 1. Or you can just type in 1 right there. Now, this will process. This will take a few minutes, depends on how long your video is. So it's 12, it's pretty fast for this, just an example video. So I'll go back to you once this is done. So once that is done processing, we're going to press Windows and R. Right there, Windows button and R. Then you want to type in app data. You already have it there. Type in app data, press OK. Then from here you want to come to local. Select local. Come down to CapCut, right there. Then from here you want to come to user data. And from there you want to come to cache. Then from here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see motion blur cache. And open this one. And there is your video right there. That's the one. That is an older one. So that's the alpha file. That's the alpha file. So it's always going to be the first one right there. So there it is. Now you can do a couple of things. You can literally right click, copy this, and paste it anywhere you want. You can paste it onto your desktop, and the video will be fully done. Or if you want to do it the old fashioned way, you can just bring it in right there. Okay, we're back in CapCut. That's the one with all the effects. This one is 2. Now that's your edit. Now if you want to keep this in case you want to go back and change anything. So highlight the old clip, the compound clip, and press V on your keyboard. Okay, that disables it. And if you want to highlight it again, press V to bring it back in case you want to change anything. If you want to change anything again, you come in, right click on the clip, uncompound clip, and that will bring all the effects back. So you can add things and take things away. So V. Now all we have is this right here. It's got all the effects again. Again, it's just an example video. Now again, when I come to export, you can do it from up the top right, or menu, file, export. And bang, right there, it's got all the effects. You can name it whatever you like. There's the video. You can, of course, send it anywhere you want. You can always send it to the desktop. Let's say select, folder. Let's call it example. I'll show you when it's finished now. Export. Right there, the video is done. It's got all the effects. Now again, let's go out, it should be right. There it is right there, example. On the desktop, open her up. Bang, done. Again, this is just an example. And again, there's the clip right there, but if you want to change anything, come back to this clip, press V, right click, uncompound. Again, you can add and take away things, and again, we want to compound it again to get it out of there. Again, you want to get everything, compound clip. And don't forget to add the motion blur when you want to take it out again. See, motion blur. Bring it down to 1. And repeat the whole process once you've finished re-editing. That is how you get CapCut Pro effects for free. Thank you so much for watching. Now, they may patch this at some stage, but make use of it while they can. I hope this helped, and I'll see you on the next one.